Hello. Everyone who watches my video today is welcomed very warmly. Today I am bringing to you what benefits we get from Gotukola, which are very beneficial plants for us. Gotukola is an herbal plant that has been used for a long time, especially in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Now let's see what benefits we get from these Gotukola. Gotukola is often referred to as a brain tonic, and is believed to improve cognitive function, including memory and concentration. Gotukola extract is used locally to heal wounds. It stimulates collagen production and increases blood flow to the affected area. It speeds up wound healing. Gotukola improves blood circulation and can be used to treat conditions such as varicose veins and leg swelling. Gotukola provides very important support to the digestive process and is also used to treat conditions such as gastric ulcers. Some people use Gotukola especially for headaches and joint pain. Now let's see what are the benefits of Gotukola for our hair. Gotukola helps in nourishing hair follicles as it improves blood circulation. It can also see the growth of hair. Gotukola protects the hair follicles and scalp as it has antioxidant properties. This protection is very essential to maintain healthy hair. This has the potential to stimulate collagen production, which is important to maintain hair growth and strength as well as prevent breakage. Gotukola helps a lot in getting rid of scalp inflammation, which causes hair problems. A healthy, well-moisturized scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Gotukola leaves have a calming effect on the scalp. This herbal plant is very suitable for consumption as it brings great benefits for body health as well as for hair growth. Thanks watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.